Good morning, my dear students. This is a chapter probability distribution, Poisson distribution continuation, lecture 5, problems continuation, problem 5. Fit a Poisson distribution to the set of observations x, f 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 122, 60, 15 to 1. Now, what is your mean lambda? Mean is equal to lambda is equal to sigma f into x by sigma f. This is the formula for lambda. Sigma f into x 0 into 122 plus sigma means addition 1 into 60 plus 2 into 15 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1 by sigma f 122 plus 60 plus 15 plus 2 plus 1. So this is nothing but 60 plus 30 plus 6 plus 4 by this is 200. 100 by 200 1 by 2 0.5 lambda value 0.5. What is your formula? P x is equal to r is equal to e power minus lambda power r by r factorial. Here r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4. Don't write so on, only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, your Kaplan is nothing but sigma f is nothing but 200. Okay, now when r is equal to 0, what is your p x is equal to 0 e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial e power minus lambda e power minus 0.5 is equal to 0.61. Frequency expected frequency n into probability 200 into 0.61 is equal to 122. R is equal to 1. P x is equal to 1 e power minus lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. So lambda e power minus lambda 0.5 e power minus 0.5. This is nothing but 1 minute. So n is equal to sigma f 200, r is equal to 0, p x is equal to 0, e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial e power minus lambda e power minus 0.5 0.61. Expected frequency n into probability 200 into 0.61 122. R is equal to 1. Same procedure, r is equal to 2. Using calculator we get these things. So r is equal to 3, we get this value expected frequency n into probability. R is equal to 4, we get this value. Using calculators we get. So you write a final table is given by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Observed frequency, expected frequency, nearest you write nearest integer. So almost are equal. So the given set of observations, the given set of observations are best fit to Poisson distribution. Best fit by Poisson distribution. Problem 6. The frequency of accidents per shift in a factory is as shown in the following table. Accidents per shift frequency X, F. Calculate the mean number. Mean number means we have to calculate lambda value, sigma F of sigma F into X by sigma F. Same as above model. Per shift and the corresponding Poisson distribution compare with the actual observations. So do this one homework. Same as above problem. Problem 7. A manufacturer of cotter pins knows that 5% of this product is defective. Pins are sold in boxes of 100. He guarantees that not more than 10 pins will be defective. What is the approximate probability that a box will fail to meet the guaranteed quality? So what is given? P is given 5%. 5 by 100. 5 by 100. So 0.05. N is given 100. So lambda value NP 100 into 0.05. Nothing but 5. Px is equal to our formula in Poisson distribution. Px is equal to our formula e power minus lambda power r by r factorial. Probability of a box will fail to meet the guarantee. Will fail to meet the guarantee is equal to actually more than 10. More than 10 is given here. More than 10 is x greater than 10. 1 minus p x less than or equal to 10. So 1 minus less than or equal to 10 means px is equal to 0 plus px is equal to 1 plus so on px is equal to 10. So substituting those values e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. Here r is 0, here r is 1. E power minus lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. E power minus lambda square by 2 factorial. Like that e power minus lambda power 10 by 10 factorial. So simplifying we get 0.0137. 0.0137. In examinations you write all things and substitute and simplify it. Problem 8. Problem 8. A hospital switchboard receives an average of 4 emergency calls in a 10-minute interval. What is the probability that, first bit, there are at most 2 emergency calls in a 10-minute interval? Second bit, there are exactly 3 emergency calls in a 10-minute interval. According to given problem, mean value given lambda is equal to 4 calls in 10 minutes interval. Px is equal to our formula. This is the only formula for Poisson distribution for each and every problem. P at most 2 calls. At most means maximum 2. Maximum value 2. అంతకన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటాయి కానీ అంతకన్నా మించి ఉండవు. అంటే Px less than or equal to 2. 2కు ముందు అంటే 0, 1 ఈక్వల్ టు ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 కూడా వస్తుంది. ఆర్బల్ 0 పెట్టాను, దీంట్లో ఆర్బల్ 1 పెట్టాను, ఆర్బల్ 2 పెట్టాను. సింప్లిఫై చేసిన తర్వాత లాంబ్డా బదులు -4 పెట్టా. 16/2 8, 13 e power -4 0.2381. సెకండ్ బిట్ ఏంటి? ప్రాబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 3 కాల్స్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 3 అంటే Px is equal to 3 అంటే e power minus lambda cube by 3 factorial. Lambda cube by 3 factorial. So e power minus 4, 4 cube by 3 factorial. 64 by 6 e power minus 4. 32 by 3 e power minus 4. 0.1954. 0.1954. Problem 9. 2% of the items of a factory are defective. The items are packed in boxes. What is the probability that there will be, first bit, 2 defective items, second bit, at least 3 defective items in a box of 100 items? So according to given data, what is your n? 100. What is your p probability? 2%. 2 by 100. Lambda formula np, 100 into 2 by 100 is equal to 2. So your Poisson formula, x is equal to r, e power minus lambda, lambda power r by r factorial. What is the first bit? P of two defective items, 2 defective. So px is equal to 2. So e power minus lambda, lambda square by 2 factorial. So e power minus 2, 2 square by 2 factorial. So 2 e power minus 2, 2 e power minus 2, 0.2706, 0.2706. So second bit, probability of at least 3. At least 3 means 3 or more. So px greater than or equal to 3. 1 minus px less than 3. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ టు ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ టు రాదు. 1 minus px is equal to 0. px is equal to 1. 3కి ముందు వరకు వస్తాయి. px is equal to 2. So according to formula, here r value 0. So e power minus lambda, lambda power r means 0 by 0 factorial. E power minus lambda, here r is 1, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. E power minus lambda, here r is equal to 2. First you simplify this one. 1 minus e power minus lambda common, 1 plus lambda square by 2. 2 factorial means 2. 1 minus, what is your lambda? 2. 1 plus 2 plus 2 square by 2. 2, 5. 1 minus 5 e power minus 2. This value is nothing but 0.3233. 0.3233. Problem 10. Problem 10. Problem 10. Average number of accidents on any day on a national highway is 1.8. So lambda is given directly. Determine the probability that the number of accidents are 1, at least 1, 2, at most 1. So given lambda is equal to 1.8. What is your formula? px is equal to r is equal to e power minus lambda, lambda power r by r factorial. First bit, p probability of at least 1. At least 1 means 1 or more. px greater than or equal to 1. 1 minus px less than 1. 1 minus less than 1 means x is equal to 0. 1 minus e power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. 1 minus e power minus, what is your lambda? 1.8. So this value is nothing but 0.8347. Second bit, p at most 1. At most 1 means maximum 1. px less than or equal to 1. So we get px is equal to 0 plus px is equal to 1. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వాలిటీ ఉంది కాబట్టి 1 కూడా వస్తుంది, 1కు లోపు 1. సో e పవర్ మైనస్ ల్యాండా, ల్యాండా పవర్ 0 బై 0 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, e పవర్ మైనస్ ల్యాండా, r వాల్యూ 1, ల్యాండా పవర్ 1 బై 1 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ e పవర్ మైనస్ ల్యాండా ఇంటూ 1 ప్లస్ ల్యాండా. So e power minus 1.8, 1 plus 1.8. So calculating this 2.8 into e power minus 1.8 using calculator, 0.4628, 0.4628. Problem 11. Number of monthly breakdowns of a computer is a random variable having Poisson distribution with mean equal to 1.8. Mean is given, lambda value is given directly. Find the probability that the computer will function for a month. First bit without a breakdown, second bit with only one breakdown, third bit with at least one breakdown. So what is given here? Lambda is given 1.8. What is your formula? Px is equal to r e power minus lambda, lambda power r by r factorial. What is your first bit? Probability of without breakdown. Without breakdown means no breakdowns. Px is equal to 0. Px is equal to 0. E power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. Don't write lambda value. After simplifying, you write lambda value. Lambda power 0, 1, 0 factorial 1. So e power minus lambda. E power minus 1.8. This is nothing but 0.1653. Second bit, probability of only one breakdown. One breakdown. So px is equal to 1. So r value 1. E power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. Lambda e power minus lambda, 1.8 e power minus 1.8. Using calculator, we get 0.2975. 0.2975. Third one, probability of at least one breakdown. At least one means one or more. Px greater than or equal to 1. Write 1 minus px less than 1. ఈక్వల్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ ఉండదండి. 1 మైనస్ 1 కన్నా తక్కువ, px ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. 1 మైనస్ ఆల్రెడీ కట్టావుగా, px ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఇక్కడ ఎంత వచ్చింది? 0.1653. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0.8347. 0.8347. Problem 12. If x is a Poisson variate such that px is equal to 0 is equal to px is equal to 1. Find px is equal to 0. Okay. And using recurrence formula, find the probabilities at x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Using recurrence formula. In this problem, mean lambda is not given directly or indirectly, but given one relation, px is equal to 0 is equal to px is equal to 1. That's why you first write px is equal to r formula, e power minus lambda, lambda power r by r factorial. Now what is given? What is given relation here? P x equal to 0 is equal to p x is equal to 1. So put x r is equal to 0 in this. E power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial is equal to, put r is equal to 1 here. E power minus lambda, lambda power 1 by 1 factorial. So e power minus lambda cancel. This is 1. Lambda power 0 1, 0 factorial 1, lambda by 1. So lambda value 1. Now you find px is equal to 0. E power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial, e power minus lambda, e power minus 1, 1 by e. That value is nothing but, using calculator we get that probability value 0.3678. 0.3678. Now you write recurrence formula. We know recurrence formula. We know recurrence formula. Probability of x plus 1 is equal to lambda by x plus 1 into probability of x. Probability of x. ఫార్ములా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి మీరు. ఇక్కడ లాంబ్డా వాల్యూ 1 కాబట్టి 1 బై ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 ఇంటూ పీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. లాంబ్డా వాల్యూ 1 కాబట్టి 2 అయితే 2, 3 అయితే 3, 1.8 అవుతాయి, 1.8 ఏదైతే పెడతారు ఇక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు మీకు 1 రావాలి. 1 రావాలంటే ఎక్స్ ఇస్ కూడా 1కి 2కి 3కి 5 వరకు వెళ్ళమన్నాడు. ఎక్స్ ఇస్ కూడా ఏం పెట్టమన్నాడు వాల్యూస్, ఫైండ్ ఎక్స్ ఇస్ కూడా 1 2 3 4 అండ్ 5. ఎక్స్ ఇస్ కూడా 1 2 3 4 అండ్ 5 అన్నాడు. పుట్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఫస్ట్ యూ పుట్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. పుట్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, దిస్ ఈజ్ పీ ఆఫ్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 0 plus 1, 1 by 1, p of 0. P of 0 is given here 0.3678. So 0.3678. So P1 is 0.3678. Put x is equal to 1. P of 2 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. P of 1, 1 by 2 into P of 1, 0.3678. This is nothing but 0.1839. 0.1839. Put x is equal to 2. P3 is equal to 1 by 3. P2 1 by 3 into P2 value 0.1839 is equal to 0.0613. 0.0613. Put x is equal to 3. P4 is equal to 1 by 4 P3. 1 by 4 P3 value 0.0613 is nothing but 0.015325. 0.015325. Put x is equal to 4. P5 వరకే కట్టాలి మనం. ఎక్స్ కూడా 1 2 3 4 5 అన్నాడు. 5 వరకే, P5 వరకే కట్టాలి, వెళ్ళిపోకండి వరకునే. 1 by 5 P4. సో 1 by 5, what is our P4? 0.015325. Dividing this by 5 we get 0.003065. This is the way of doing this is the way of finding the probabilities by using recurrence formula. Problem 13. If a Poisson distribution is such that 3 by 2 into px is equal to 1 is equal to px is equal to 3. Find 1. Px greater than or equal to 1. 2. Px less than or equal to 3. Third bit, P2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Here also lambda is not given directly. So first you write your regular formula px is equal to r e power minus lambda power r by r factorial. What is the relation is given here? Given 3 by 2 into px is equal to 1 is equal to px is equal to 3. 3 by 2 into x is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, e power minus lambda power 1 by 1 factorial is equal to px is equal to 3, e power minus lambda cube by 3 factorial, e power minus lambda cancel. 1 lambda also cancel. So we get 3 by 2 is equal to lambda square by 3 factorial means 6. This simple as lambda square is equal to 18 by 2, 9. Lambda is equal to plus or minus root 9 plus or minus 3. Take lambda is equal to plus 3 since lambda greater than 0 by definition. Lambda is positive number. So lambda not equal to minus 3. Lambda not equal to minus 3. Lambda not equal to minus 3. Now you find the first bit. What is your first bit? P x greater than or equal to 1. So 1 minus p x less than 1. 1 minus p x is equal to 0. 1 minus e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. 1 minus e power minus 3. 1 minus e power minus 3. How much we get? This is nothing but 0.950213 using calculator. P x less than or equal to 3, second bit, less than 3, x is equal to 0, p x is equal to 1, p x is equal to 2, equal to కూడా ఉందండి. p x is equal to 3 కూడా వేయాలి, 4 వేయాలి. So px less than or equal to 3, we get px is equal to 0, px is equal to 1, px is equal to 2, px is equal to 3. 4 వస్తాయండి. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేశాను, సింప్లిఫై చేశాను. అలాగే p2 లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు x లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5. 2కి 5కి ఈక్వల్గా ఉంటూ మధ్యలో రావాలి. px is equal to 2 ప్లస్ px is equal to 3 ప్లస్ px is equal to 4 ప్లస్ px is equal to 5. సో ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ లాండా బదులు r బదులు 2 పెట్టాను, r బదులు 3 పెట్టాను, r బదులు 4 పెట్టాను, r బదులు 5 పెట్టాను. ఇదే మెథడాలజీ ప్రకారం చేసా. వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే 0.7169 వస్తుందండి. కొంచెం కొద్దిగా మీరు చేసుకోవాలి, కొంచెం అర్థం చేసుకోవడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేయండి.